In the Holy Quran, Surah 30 or chapter 30, ayat or verse 30, it uses the word deen, which is often translated or transliterated into the word religion. Re comes from the Latin or the European word, which means to go back to a thing. Ligare means to fasten or to tie something down, to bind something, to limit something, to enslave something or someone. So religion or religare means to go back to bondage. The Honorable Elijah Muhammad teaches us that God does not go back to anything because God is the author and sustainer of the universe. The black man's mind is the creator of all creation. Universal scientists refer to the mind of the black man as the energy, the first cause, the causation. Religions around the world, organized religions that believe in a mystery God, often calls the mind or the energy or the science or the mathematics of our universe the creator or that mystery God. The Muslims around the world, who number over 1 billion, generally use the word al-Khaliq. Al means the, Khaliq means creator. They synonymously uses al-Khaliq interchangeably often with the name Allah. Al meaning the, La meaning God, the God. And this misinterpretation and redefinition is what caused the confusion or the bitter on the face of the planet Earth. But Messenger Elijah Muhammad, in his infinite wisdom, he clarifies the matter. Though he is not an Arabic speaker, Master Fard Muhammad taught him the knowledge, the wisdom, and the understanding of Islam. And he teaches us that knowledge is to listen, know, and observe. Knowledge is the foundation. And that wisdom is to make your knowledge known, the woman. And understanding is a picture one makes in his mind of knowledge. Islam means peace and symbolizes submission. And when we say submission, we don't mean submission like a slave. We mean submission in the sense of mathematics. In 1972, Messenger Elijah Muhammad explained to us the real meaning or definition of Islam. He said, quote, Islam is mathematics, and mathematics is Islam.